I think they're getting used to this. Good babies, come on then. Morrison's today. It's a bit cooler. Let's see how far she wants to go today. Chief, what are you doing in there? Headless cat. Come on, Chief. Good girl, Connie. Come on. Going for a walk. Come on then, let's go. Usually park down there, but a bit more shade up this end. Are you two coming? Hey, are you two coming? Come on then. Chief, you coming? Good boy. Come on then. Good boy. Come on, Connie cat. He's a good boy, Chief. Get tangled. Alright. Connie, go for a walk. This way. Come on, let's go for a walk. Good girl. You've found a treat. And where do you think you're going? He's going too high, that's where he's going. Chief, no. He's too good at this tree climbing malarkey. No, Chief. Come on. He'd go to the top if I let him go. Connie, what's he doing? Come on, Chief. Chief, come on. Come on, down to Mummy. On Mummy's shoulder. Come on. Oi, come on you. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Oh, come on then. Oh, there he is. We've got him. Right, you ready, Connie? Tangled? Come on then, just go for a walk. Good girl. Just going to untangle Chief. I'm going to stop the camera now so I can untangle him and we'll catch you later.